Once again, we're done. No? Much more fun here in Cebu because we have our own airlines, the Cebu Pacific Airlines, and the Mother of All Festival, and then healthy, because of Arwin Ergometer. Tambal sa kanang sakit, dito maron, exercise, at kapag ayo ka. Hati sa tina po, naka-Arwin Ergometer. No? Sa itong gikuan siya, karon 7 minutes ha. Again, ma'am is about palinison ko, katong na-radiculopathy, uy, grabe kaya, no? Because of the high heels, no, nga. Mo mayroon ba ho, then, matuwa na lang, prevent, no? And then, the most important thing is the heart, okay? Mori, yeah, para sa heart, no? Again, watching TV, atin pakita, no? Here. Again, watching TV exercises the heart. Again, watching TV exercise anytime, no? Again, IMBP. So, IMBP is about 132, 8177, no? Again, 132, 8177. So, ato ipakita, no? So, here, so 132 to, so educate mo, no? So, here, ayan, BP primero is about 129. So, 129, 79, no? 129.79. So, here, again, documented. Again, Arwin Ergometer, tambal sa kanang sakit, hindi tumaron, exercise, magkapoy, ayo ka. Again, thank you.